In this video, I want to talk about being a cooperative driver. So we're coming up to a roundabout here, and we've got a yield sign. So anyone coming into a roundabout will have a yield sign facing them. And there's no one coming from the left, so we've entered into this roundabout. Now, generally speaking, once we're in the roundabout, we have the right of way. But because there's congestion, what we're going to do is once the traffic in front of us starts pulling through, we're going to try to let one person in, right? It's the same concept as zipper merging. Because of congestion, it's nice to let one person in so that they don't sit there for a really long time before they can get onto this road. Now, this is not what you should do if the traffic in front of you is flowing, right? It's mainly because there can be a car behind you, and if you suddenly stop to let someone in, they're not expecting it. So it might cause confusion on the road. So we're trying to be predictable. And in this case, the predictable thing would have been to let one person in because we're already all stopped. We're just about to get going. And you'll see this also when there's a bunch of congestion on a main road, on a through road, and someone comes and stops at a stop sign at that intersection. This stop sign is telling you they don't have priority, so they shouldn't just try to come in onto this road when traffic is flowing. But if there's already someone waiting here, stopped here, generally the norm is for one person to let one person in before they proceed. So I hope you learned something from this video, and I'll see you in the next one.